Hi, I'm Melody and welcome back to Plantastic. Today we'll be talking about the 5 best houseplants for beginners. Number 1 and 2. We have the ZZ plant and we have the snake plants. So these two I'm grouping together because they are very easy to take care of. They have very similar care instructions. I water these two about once a month, maybe just like a cup of water, and they grow pretty slowly, but they also very rarely die. So I don't know why you would buy fake houseplants when you have these guys, because the worst you can do to them is overwater them, and the best thing you could do is just forget about them. These are also very low light tolerant. The snake plants, there's a bunch of different varieties. I really enjoy having them around, even though they don't grow that fast. But these are my number 1 and number 2 plants. Hope I didn't break that. Number 3 on my list is the spider plant. And contrary to the name, these do not look like spiders in my opinion, but they're super easy to take care of. They produce babies like crazy. You'll never run out of spider plants if you get one. They look very grassy to me. I love how wild they can get, and they grow really fast. This one's just one of the babies that I had propagated maybe just like 4 months ago, and it's already gotten this big. So these are super easy to take care of. I really enjoy these. They're very drought resistant, so even if you forget to water them, they will stay alive for you. So that's my number 3. Number 4, I have the Peperomia Obtusifolia. This is the variegated version. And I don't see this on many people's lists for beginner plants, but I found this one super easy to grow. I water them about once a week, but they could probably do with less as well. They will survive. And they are just so beautiful. The leaves are super glossy, very lush. I know this one's kind of like falling over, but this is probably one of the first houseplants I bought for myself, maybe like 6 years ago or something. And it's been doing well. Like, I've propagated them. You can see it's already growing out of its pot again, so I might need to propagate it again. Here's the variegated version of it. I love how this looks. Like I said, super thick, lush, glossy leaves. I've had really good experiences growing these plants, so I would highly recommend this one. Last but not least, I have the Golden Pothos, and that's not actually this one. It's the one above me, right above my glass cabinet. This guy grows so well, and if you've ever seen a movie or gone to your doctor's office and they have a plant, it's likely this Golden Pothos. And this is because it's super easy to take care of, and they grow really fast. You will see new growth popping out every month, no matter the time of the year. So I'm very happy with these guys. And they will look a little wilty if they need watering, so it's also very easy to tell when to water them. Another thing is that there's so many different varieties of pothos, and if you want me to make another video talking about all the different pothos I have, I will definitely do so. So drop a comment below and let me know. This is one of them. This is the Snow Queen pothos, and I love this one because you can see this across the room. It's very striking. It has very beautiful variegation. So yeah, definitely one of my favorite plants. It hasn't died yet. And that's my list for the 5 best houseplants for beginners. I know that was super quick, but if you like this video or end up buying any of these plants, go and fertilize that like button or subscribe if you want more plant content. Check out my other video where I give 3 tips on how not to kill your houseplant. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time.